Debunking the myth, UI/UX designers are invaluable assets. In today's digital age, user experience UX has become a critical factor in the success of any product or service. UI/UX designers play a pivotal role in creating intuitive and engaging interfaces that delight users. However, there is a misconception that UI/UX designers are not very valuable. In this video, we will debunk this myth and shed light on the immense value that UI/UX designers bring to the table. User-centered design. UI/UX designers are experts in user-centered design, which places the user at the heart of the design process. They conduct extensive research to understand user needs, behaviors, and pain points. By empathizing with users, UI/UX designers create interfaces that are intuitive, accessible, and enjoyable. This user-centric approach ensures that products and services meet user expectations, resulting in higher user satisfaction and loyalty. Enhancing user engagement. UI/UX designers are skilled in creating visually appealing and interactive interfaces that captivate users. They understand the importance of aesthetics, typography, color theory, and layout to create visually pleasing designs. By incorporating engaging elements such as animations, micro-interactions, and gamification, UI/UX designers enhance user engagement and create memorable experiences that keep users coming back. Improving usability and accessibility. UI/UX designers are advocates for usability and accessibility. They ensure that interfaces are easy to navigate, with clear information architecture and intuitive interactions. By conducting usability tests and incorporating accessibility standards, UI/UX designers make products and services inclusive for all users, regardless of their abilities or disabilities. This commitment to usability and accessibility enhances the overall user experience and expands the reach of the product or service. Driving business success. Contrary to the misconception, UI/UX designers play a crucial role in driving business success. Well-designed interfaces lead to increased user satisfaction, which in turn boosts customer loyalty and advocacy. Positive user experiences result in higher conversion rates, increased sales, and improved customer retention. UI/UX designers also contribute to brand perception, as a well-designed interface reflects professionalism, trustworthiness, and credibility. Collaboration and communication. UI/UX designers are skilled collaborators and effective communicators. They work closely with cross-functional teams, including developers, product managers, and stakeholders, to align design decisions with business goals. UI/UX designers facilitate discussions, share insights, and bridge the gap between technical and design aspects. Their ability to communicate design rationale and advocate for user needs ensures that the final product aligns with both user expectations and business objectives. Continuous learning and adaptation. UI/UX designers are committed to continuous learning and staying up to date with the latest design trends, tools, and best practices. They invest time in researching emerging technologies, attending conferences, and participating in design communities to expand their knowledge and skills. This continuous learning allows UI/UX designers to adapt to evolving user preferences and technological advancements, ensuring that their designs remain relevant and effective. User testing and iterative design. UI/UX designers are strong advocates for user testing and iterative design. They conduct usability tests, gather feedback, and analyze user behavior to identify areas for improvement. By incorporating user feedback into the design process, UI/UX designers iterate on their designs, making data-driven decisions that result in better user experiences. This iterative approach ensures that products and services are constantly refined and optimized based on user needs and preferences. Problem solvers and innovators. UI/UX designers are problem solvers at their core. They tackle complex design challenges, finding creative solutions that balance user needs, business goals, and technical constraints. UI/UX designers are also innovators, constantly pushing the boundaries of design to create unique and memorable experiences. Their ability to think critically, analyze user data, and apply design thinking methodologies allows them to solve problems and drive innovation within organizations. The notion that UI/UX designers are not very valuable is a misconception that fails to recognize the immense impact they have on user experiences and business success. UI/UX designers bring a unique set of skills and expertise to the table. By debunking this myth, we can appreciate the value that UI/UX designers bring to the design process and the positive impact they have on creating exceptional user experiences.